Hi folks, in this video I'd like to show you how to update what we're calling the Bootstrap slider. And really there's a certain number of elements you'll want to update. There's a title, there's a large image, a description, then we have the two lines, photo taken by, photographer name, a small image, and a button. So there's a lot of components put into each slide. You don't need all of them, you can simply delete the ones you don't want. And for example, if you don't need a photo taken by a photographer's name, simply remove it from the slider and it won't be visible. Same with the click here to learn more button, the description, the title. Totally up to you how much information you want in here. We've tried to pack a lot of features in because it's easier to take things out than to try and add them in, so we've made it somewhat feature rich, if you want to call it that. And let's jump right into how to update this in Dreamweaver. So I'm just going to open up Dreamweaver and we're going to go and open up the library, the sliders, and the Bootstrap slider folder. And we're just going to open up the Bootstrap slider page like so. Okay, if we look in the design view, there's the title for the image, the large picture, the description below it, the photo taken by, photographer name, and a small image, followed by the click to learn more button. And you can change all of this information right within the design view, or you can flip over to the code view if you wish to change the text and prefer to use that method, whatever method you prefer. Now, for the image sizes, this image right here is, let me just double check on that one again. It is 630 by 350. That is 630 pixels wide by 350 pixels tall. You'll want to have a picture that is sized correctly. The slider will, or the script will, try to automatically give as much room as possible, but if you can have the exact size image, it's going to work out much better. You can always contact us if you need help sizing the pictures as well. All right, and down below we have a smaller picture, 52 by 52 pixels. Right. Now, to remove any of the elements, for example, if you don't want the title, you can just simply double click anywhere in the title, select the H2 tag, and delete it, like so. Same with, well, the large picture is the big portion of it, so you probably wouldn't want to delete that. But the description or the photo taken by, you can delete any of these bits of information if you don't need them, and then they won't show up in the page. All right. To add more slides or remove slides, you're going to just flip into code view for this one, and you're going to look for the div container of carousel, sorry, this one right here, slide, bootstrap slider, slider 1 for example. It's going to be wrapped in a comment tag, so basically you're going to start with slide, go down to slide, and you'll copy. Then between two other slide comments, you'll just expand it and you'll paste. Okay, then you can go down and well, what I'm going to suggest here is actually keeping everything named in order. Okay, so starting off here with slide 1, you can copy and paste it. Just change everything to slide 2, and then make sure it's all in order. Slide 3 and slide 4, and then go down here to slide 5. Just it makes it nice and tidy, and then change your images at that point. Same for removing slides. You can just simply remove the entire slide container. Now, once you add and remove slides, there is one further thing you'll need to do, and that is add these little buttons down here, or remove these little buttons. Right now there's 4 default slides, and what you'll want to do is go into the code view, scroll right to the very top of the page, and if you add a slide, add another LI tag. So copy an existing one, paste it, and then change it to a sequential number such as that. If you remove a slide, remove one of the LI tags, so an equal number of buttons show up. And really that's all there is to it. It's all just regular, basically HTML, and we've just formatted it with the Bootstrap slider style sheet, and we've added some of the animate fade-ins and fade-outs and whatnot down here. And you can learn a little bit more about that in the previous tutorial and one of the previous tutorials on the page, working with the animate.css. There's some more information there.